Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss a case on the pensions. Normally, we all know, according to section 60 of the Code of Civil Procedure, the pension, the stipend, the gratuity of the pensioner cannot be attached as per the section. So even though you have got the execution petition granted, so even though the decree is given in the discharge of EP, even then you cannot attach the pension of a retired person. This is the basic law which we know. Even according to section 11 of the Pensions Act 1871, it also says that in civil disputes, the pension cannot be attached at the instance of the creditor. Right? This is the base law. But here, the dispute is between wife and husband, and it is a maintenance petition. So, according to section 125 CRPC, Radhika filed a maintenance petition against her husband who was not regularly paying the maintenance amount. So, according to the contentions of Radhika, the husband, that is Bhagavant, was getting a salary of rupees 1,53,000 at the time of retirement. After retirement, okay, he has got so much of gratuity, we are not bothered, but his pension per month is 72,000. Of course, the Honorable Court, it happened in Bombay High Court, Justice M.G. Giratkar, he has given this decision on 5/4/2019 itself, right? So, his pension is fixed at rupees 72,000. Actually, the court ordered to pay maintenance of rupees 30,000. Yes, 30,000. So, if the 30,000 is lost, he will be left with only 42,000, which is not sufficient for him. But still, the court has asked the amount to be deducted from his pension or attached from his pension. So here, Mr. Bhagavan has come to the High Court in a criminal revision petition, and he has requested the court that he cannot pay that 30,000, and that too according to section 11 of the Pensions Act. So his pension cannot be attached at the instance of creditors. So this is the problem. For now, the point is whether wife is a creditor, whether husband is a debtor or not. Please remember, this is not a civil case. Section 125 CRPC. So it is according to the procedure of Code of Criminal Procedure. Basically, it's not a civil case. Finish. Second point, as regards the debtor and creditor, at the instance of creditor, the debtor's pension should not be attached. But here, the court has clearly stated that wife cannot be termed as a creditor. She has not given any loan to husband. It is a part of the court order. It is for her maintenance, for her sustenance. She has to live. Already that fellow left her into the lurch, and she has no means of livelihood. She cannot protect herself, or she cannot maintain herself. Therefore only she has approached the Honorable Court to request the court to direct the husband, that is Bhagavant, to give some maintenance. So after considering all the facts, the court considered that since his salary is around 1,50,000, 53,000, yes, he has to shell down minimum 30,000 in Bombay city. So you can't get a house at least minimum 20 or 25,000. So 30,000 is barest minimum. So now coming to the point, so here the court held that, the revision also held that, see, in civil cases only, at the instance of creditor, so you cannot attach the so-called pension, stipend or gratuity according to section 60G of the CPC. But here it is a criminal case. That too, wife is not a creditor and husband is not a debtor. So both of them do not stand in those positions. So it is a court order, and once the court has given, so this order, particularly in this, they has to pay 30,000. So of course, since the matter has come for revision, the Honorable Bombay High Court has been pleased to reduce the amount to 20,000. Why? Because there is another case. She has filed another case under Domestic Violence Act, and it is also pending. Therefore, the amount has been reduced. So friends, please don't be under the impression that the pension amount cannot be attached. So here it is a peculiar case where if it is according to CRPC, if it is according to Hindu Marriage Act, yes, you can claim. But when it is under 125 CRPC, you do not have any option except you to shell down that money. So very good case. So it will be useful even for the women also, because normally we will be under the impression that the pension amount should not be withdrawn. But here it is, since it is a case of CRPC, now this difference has come. Very good decision. Please follow it. Thank you.